Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a tutorial. I want to do this thing where I do tutorial Tuesdays. I want to stick to it. I really have to push myself. This is the goal. I'm going to go into brows right away. For brows, I'm going to talk about the AOA Studio one. This brand is pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. The reviews say it's dry and stuff, but I actually like it. I like it. The pigment is just perfect. Concealer is your best friend. So even if you mess up, you'll be fine. Okay, brows. They look cute. Alright, now we're going to go in with concealer. But my to-go, like the ones I've been using recently, is this one. This is the beige Studio Pro Total Coverage Concealer. Now, if you have some stubborn hairs and like, you know, like you need some coverage, this BH Cosmetic one is the one to go. I promise you. Like, it's very thick. I use the color 113 and it really works wonders. Like, I like the coverage, I like the color, everything. All right, next, for above the brow, I always use the foundation that I'm using for that day. So today I'm going to use the Nars, which one is this one? The Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is in the color Aruba. I just pump some onto like my little metal palette. And then I use the same and I just clean the top of my brows. What's next? Let's finish up the eyes. For concealer in the eye, I'm going to use this Milani Longwear Concealer in the color Medium Beige. Okay, I'm taking the Ciate coconut powder. And I'm just going to set my lids, making sure that the powder just gets on the lids. Okay, so I have one eye done. I think this is pretty cute. It was really fast, except for the liner. I think this is pretty cute. You don't have to do the liner, but we'll get into that. So the palette that I'm using is this Juvias Place, the Zulu palette. And it's this one. It's the really colorful one. So I'm gonna use this color, and this color. Well, this color, this color, and this color. Okay, so I get these eye tapes from Elf and they come in longer strips. What I do is I cut one in half and then I put one here, because if you use one long one, like, it's a waste of time. So I have this strip here and I'm gonna take an eyeshadow brush. This is kind of fluffy, kind of not, kind of flat, you know, so I'm going to use that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this pink color and I'm going to apply it on my outer V like this, sort of as if I'm doing a liner. And I don't know if everyone is like this, but you see like this line here, that's gonna be like my lid line, in which I'm gonna use to guide every color. So now I'm going to fill in at least just a third of my eyelid with this pink, starting from my lash line up to that crease line. The best suggestion I have to pack on color is to grab as much color as you want from your Padlet and then just pat it on to where you want it to be. You can blend in afterwards. Now I'm gonna go in with a different brush and I'm going into the orange, packing a lot of color in there. And I'm gonna put it right in the middle of my lid, up to that crease line. Just pat away. The colors will probably be more vibrant if you don't set your lid. You just pat it on to wet concealer, but I wanted more of a soft look, and also I didn't know that this is what I wanted to do. Now, using a smaller eyeshadow brush, I'm gonna go into the yellow, pack that on, and place that in the inner corner of my eye. So there you get like sort of like that ombre effect. And there you have it. If you want, you can really stop here and this can be your eye look. Like, that would look cute, you know, but I want it to be a little extra and add like a little wing liner in there. So what I used are these water activated liners. They come in a pack of, I want to say 6 or 7. I think it's like, it's either 5 or 6. They come in like the pink color, purple color, green color, yellow color, orange color, white color. I think that's about it. And purple. And I don't know how many colors I named. And they're really good. Of course, they get removed with water. So I guess on a rainy day, they're not the best. But they have a very seamless application. And they look very like futuristic. I use rose water to wet my brush. But you can use plain water. So I have my real thin brush right here. I'm going to dip that into the water. Then into the paint pot, well, the water activated pot, like this. And what I do is I start out by I'm gonna get real intimate with this mirror in a second, but I dot first where I want my lines to be, and then I actually draw the line. So I draw my little dots, as you can see. And here's where I try to draw my line without messing up. Here we go. Sometimes if it comes out like a little light, like not pigmented enough, I like to like wipe off some water and retry. Because that just means it has a lot of water, not enough. Oh my gosh. I'll see if I can go back and save that. Okay, it's kind of cute. I have this dot in the middle of my eye that I messed up. But it's not terrible. I just want to know how I'm going to take that out. I also use my fan to like dry it up so it doesn't smudge. Okay. Alright, eyes are done. Let's get into this face. For face, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Cosmetics Putty Primer. I love this primer. I'm gonna apply some foundation. I am looking to like use up all of my like foundations that I've had for a while. That's why like I don't mind putting on foundation while we're in the middle of quarantining and not being able to go outside because makeup expires. I might as well use it. And I love to do this. I love makeup. I love creating new looks and like cute looks and all that nice stuff. So, oh, first of all, can we talk about how those 2 pumps really made my skin look nice? All right, for concealer, let's get into it. Let me finish this one. This is a L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear. I've had this one for a while. Okay, this is it's not as brightening as I want it to be, but this is like my medium highlight shade. I always keep a makeup towel next to me, around me, so whenever, you know, yo hago un tollo, I make a mess, I can clean it right there. Okay, I don't think I'm going to set my eyes right away because I want to do cream contour using this e.l.f. Cosmetics cream contour palette. They have a really nice like cream contour situation going on here. Chiseling out my cheekbones is really like my part, my favorite part, and getting this forehead. So I am just removing any creases from my under eyes. I'm gonna use this Ciate London powder again. Now I'm gonna go in with my trusty what's this called again? Black Radiance light to medium contour palette. This is the beige Cosmetics Bellini blush palette. It brings 6 colors, 6 bomb colors. I love blush. Like, blush makes me feel like that, you know that feeling. Yeah, my thing with lashes is I used to be obsessed with lashes, and when I mean obsessed, like not in the part where like, oh, I couldn't go nowhere unless I had lashes. No, not like that. More like they really finished the dramatic look for me, you know, like they were, you know, el final. But recently I think it was because of quarantine, you know, and I wasn't going anywhere extravagant, and I was just getting pissed that I wasted whoa, I wasted lash glue, and it's just so hard to take off, right? So I've seen people just put it at the corner of their eye, and we're gonna try that today. So one trick that I didn't know is that they use the inner corner of the lashes for this, because if not, it's like, you know. So we're gonna try that today. Oh, they're so tiny. Let me see, is this? Bueno, vamos a ver. Okay, I put some glue on there. We're gonna let that get tacky. While that's going, let's do lips. For lips, I'm gonna go with my trusty brown lip liner by NYX. Okay, I think they've gotten tacky enough. I think I should have put mascara on first, but I don't hate this. Oh my goodness. Hold on, let me put some mascara. I think we're doing something here, guys. I kind of like, oh wow, I kind of got more intel on how to put on lashes right, and I'm loving this. I've never put on lashes this quickly. Okay, maybe I lied, but oh my goodness, I like this. And also, like, I've always struggled with the glue being terrible here. Yo, what? I've always struggled with the terrible doing really bad, like in my inner corners. Pero what? Like this I could do. Hold on. Let me put some mascara on the other eye. I approve. Oh my god. And it's funny because from here to here, it kind of like flows. Oh, and it gives me like that cat eye. Ay, Dios mío, yo no me aguanto. Okay. Oh my god, this video is gonna be so long. Yo, what? Guys, this looks so natural. Or am I bugging? Maybe I'm just like a hype beast. This looks so natural. Oh my god. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let me put on my lips. So I use the brown lip liner. This is Maybelline Nude Embrace. It has been my color since 2016. Yep. I'm gonna use the, you know what, for some reason I'm starting to like amber more than stone. I don't know why, but I am. Guys, if you can take anything away from this video, the one thing I want you to take away is cutting your lashes in half and using the inner corners to put in your outer corners. Cause mira, what? Okay. See, it's giving fresh, it's giving love, it's giving fun. This is the finished look. I think it's very flirtatious, it's very friendly, it's very loving, it gives all of that. Like I said, if there's anything you're taking from this video is these lashes technique. I am in love. I loved it. It was the easiest thing, and it's gonna be even easier to take it off. So yeah, this is the finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I was rambling, but I had fun making this video. It was kind of fun. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and leave a comment or like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.